Hi everybody. I spread out some remainder of a dip that I didn't like, and I just spread some of the paint out on the bottom. I'm going to do a flip cup. I'm going to use this. So I got some red in the bottom. I'm going to put some white in here. Some gold. I haven't done a flip cup for a long time. I'm just going to try to get rid of this paint because I want to remix it, so I'll see how this looks. And then I'm going to go have lunch. So purple, red, gold. I wonder if this is enough. I got some blue, so I'm going to put some blue in here. Slide it over. There we go. Ooh. Those are pretty colors. I'm just going to swirl it around. Ooh, those wild colors. I'll torch it and see what happens. Woo! That's awesome. I love the cells. This had two colors, had dimethicone, the gold and the pink. Look at that. I'm just loving it. Isn't that beautiful? Wow, isn't that pretty? Oh, that'll look so nice varnished. Wow, there you go. So it's got some white cells, some pink cells, some purple cells, gold. All right. That's it for this one. That's my flip cup. It's a good way to use up your extra paint if you want. It looks pretty. Just add a little dimethicone if you want some really nice cells. And there you go. Okay. I'll hold it up closer. All right, have a great day, everybody, and come back soon to my art room. Like and subscribe and hit the bell twice and all that good stuff. Comment below and let me know what you think. Bye-bye.